Hello dear students, hope you all well. Today we'll start a new topic, degrees of adjective or degree of comparison of adjective. Let's revise adjective first so that it will be clear to you to understand the degrees of adjectives. Adjectives are a word that describes a noun or pronoun, or we can say a word that describe a person, a place, thing or animal. Adjective is a describing word which describes a noun or pronoun or which describe a person, place, thing or an event, anything. Now, for example, the pencil is long. The marker is longer than the pencil, or the ruler is longest among the three. Here, in the first sentence, the adjective long shows the simple quality. It is said to be in the positive degree. It is used when no comparison is made. In the second sentence, that is the marker is longer than the pencil, the adjective longer shows that marker when compared with pencil has more length. This use of adjective is known as comparative degree. It is used when two persons or things are compared. In the third sentence, the adjective longest shows that ruler has greatest degree of length among all three. It is said to be the superlative degree. One thing which we need to remember is that the comparative degree is generally followed by the conjunction then. There are three degrees of comparison of adjectives: positive degree, comparative degree and superlative degree. Positive degree of comparison is used to state the quality of a person or a thing without comparing it with the other persons or thing. The form of adjective is not changed. Here, in simple word, we can say that the quality, the simple quality it shows, and there is no comparison because it is first or positive degree, so no comparison is there, and the whatever adjective we use in this, it remains the same. It will not change. It is as it is. For example, long, quiet, expansive, young. It is as same. Next is comparative degree. In comparative degree, the comparative degree of comparison is used when two persons or things are being compared. Here we need two persons to compare or two things to compare. In this comparative degree, we compare the things with each other. It expresses that quality is present to a greater or lesser degree in one of the two person or things being compared. For example, or when we are going to make comparative degree or when we are going to form the comparative degree, ER is added to one syllable adjectives. The word more or less is used with adjectives having three or more syllables. With two syllable adjectives, ER or the word more or less is used. For example, long, longer. Here as you can see, we put ER at the end. Long, longer. Quiet, more quiet. Expensive, less expensive. Young, younger. In this way. Next is superlative degree. The superlative degree of comparison is used in comparing three or more persons or things. Here we need three, like this is going to be superlative degree and we are going to compare three things or three persons here. It expresses that a quality is possessed to the greatest, okay, or least by one of the person or things included in the comparison. So it shows the third who is going to be superlative and the one first is going to be the least in this manner, the greatest or the least. So there is a comparison between among three things or person. When we are going to form superlative degree or to form superlative degree, we have to put est is added to one syllable adjective. The word most or least is used with adjectives having three or more syllable. With two syllable adjectives, est or the word most is used. For example, long, longer, longest. As you can see, in comparison we put er at the end, and in superlative est. Quite, more quite, most quite. Expensive, less expensive, least expensive. Young, younger, youngest. Few more example: nutritious, more nutritious, most nutritious. Delicious, less delicious, least delicious. Modest, more modest, most modest. Respectful, more respectful, most respectful. Some irregular adjective example we also need to study for that. Here we need to change the complete word. For example, good, better, best, or well, better, best, in this manner. Bad, worse, worst, or ill, worse, worst. Many, more, most, much more, most, little, less, least. This is also part of adjective. Now let's have an exercise of degree of comparison. I hope you all understand and you will be able to do it easily. Let's start. Bright, brighter, great, brightest, very nice. Kind, dash, kindest, very good, kind. Bold, bolder, boldest. Cold, colder, coldest. Clever, cleverer, cleverest. I hope you all understood the video and you all will be able to do the exercises in your books. Thank you so much.